everyone. iOS 27 has just officially been released in a beta, and it brought a lot of cool stuff. It looks really awesome. Obviously it's not going to be perfect, but that is exactly what I'm going to be talking about today. It is not a perfect update, and it really is not an update I would recommend any person to go ahead and install. Now, iOS 27 is going to be released on a lot of different iPhones, and the beta is already available, probably. The thing you want to avoid doing is to install this. Now, if you have a side device of some sort, if you have an iPhone you're not really using that much, but it is supported, then by all means, I guess you can go through and go ahead and install it, right? I think in that case, it really wouldn't be that big of an issue, and you can install it, especially if you're using on a device you don't normally need to really be using. But on your main phone, let's say you have an iPhone 17 or an iPhone 16 or 15 or 14, if you install it on those iPhones, that's going to end up causing a lot of issues. And in those cases, those are the situations you really want to avoid. You don't want to go through and install these updates on this iPhone because it's going to end up causing issues. Even though it looks really cool, it's going to end up causing you more problems than it's really good for, and that is the last thing I would recommend doing. So in this case, when you're going through and looking at iOS 27 and you're going through and installing the actual beta, I would not recommend installing that beta whatsoever. It's probably going to cause a lot of issues, and you're much better actually waiting until it officially comes out. So in terms of that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.